Welcome to Bonusbank, Australia's most powerful match betting platform. In this video, I'll show you how Bonusbank makes match betting simple, fast, and accessible for everybody. Everything you need is right on the dashboard. You'll instantly see today's racing and sports promos along with quick access to all the core tools. And if you ever need a calculator or a specific tool, it's all available in one click. And your progress is tracked automatically with the built-in bet tracker so you can see your profit, retention and results all in real time. Our tools do all the hard work for you. The ATM finds the best opportunities automatically, whether that be a qualifying bet for any wagering requirements, or if you want to turn over your bonus bets for the very best retention. One click and the exact calculator you need opens automatically. It's that simple and everything's just ready to go. All of our major tools come with a filter manager so you can save your favourite setups and jump straight into the matches that matter to you. You can save your filters so they're always there, making your workflow faster, cleaner and way more efficient. Our Dutching software unlocks profit from both sides of the market and is one of the most versatile tools inside Bonusbank. Use it to turn over bonus bets with higher retention or place mug bets that blend in while keeping your account healthy. And with our quick filters you can instantly pull up the exact bet type you're looking for. Our dedicated middle software lets you blend in with the crowd while still taking value. These are the same bets that the regular punters are taking, except we cover both sides of the bet and we know exactly where the value lies. For even more options, our value betting tool highlights consistent positive EV bets across dozens of markets and other ways to grow your bankroll over time. And our odds comparison tool scans hundreds of markets across multiple bookies, helping you find the strongest price every single time. In Australia, racing promos are where the most consistent profits are, and Horsepower is built to help you take full advantage of this. With just a few clicks, Horsepower's daily planner allows you to import all the major racing promos for your selected bookies, giving you an instant and organised game plan for the day. Our race list clearly highlights all the main races with your promos for the day. Simply click on a race and the racing table will show you all the best runners with the highest expected value. With 8 different modes to choose from, we've got you covered from every single angle, whether that be profiting from extra profit promos, or simply turning over your bonus bets for the very best retention. Whether you're brand new to match betting or you've already got some experience, Bonusbank includes full step-by-step courses to guide you from beginner to pro. The beginner course covers all the basics in plain English so you understand the system quickly and you can start making profits with confidence. Our Betfair course walks you through everything you need to know about the exchange, which is one of the most important parts of match betting. Once you build up your confidence, you can move into some more of our advanced courses, which will allow you to profit even more from the bookies and take even more EV. And if you're more of a visual learner, our full video library covers every tool and technique with simple, easy to follow walkthroughs. What makes Bonusbank work is how every part of the platform connects. You start with the day's best promos laid out clearly, so you always know where the best value is. Then our tools show you the expected value so you're never guessing, and you're making data-driven decisions with real profit behind them. Our courses allow you to learn at your own pace and your progress is saved automatically, so you can pick up on any course exactly where you left off. You're also never doing this alone. Our Discord community is beginner friendly with experienced match bettors sharing advice and answering questions and posting fresh ideas every single day. It's a great way to learn and the easiest way to stay one step ahead. And the results speak for themselves. Members consistently share their profit journeys, showing exactly what's possible when you follow the system correctly. Every profitable journey starts with one step. Pick the plan that fits you, join the community and start building your match betting success today.